tonight, Illinois is set to become the 11th state to legalize recreational marijuana as soon as the governor adds his signature. KWQC's Sarah Jones is here, and earlier she met with the QC Metropolitan Enforcement Group, also known as MEG, to hear how this is going to impact residents in the area. Sarah?
David, MEG is a multi-jurisdictional drug task force covering both Iowa and Illinois, and they're funded by both state and federal. And the proposed law will not only legalize recreational marijuana, it will also clear the way for pardons. Under the proposal, any Illinois resident 21 years old and up can legally possess up to 30 grams of weed. And this is what 30 grams of cannabis looks like. This is supplied by MEG. We had it in their office, and they were just showing me that that's what it will look like. And out-of-state residents, while they're in Illinois, can possess half as much. But I want to clear up any misconceptions. It's not like people will be able to just walk around and smoke in public.
You can't openly smoke it in public. Be aware of what the law is. And as far as growing it at home, this law does not give permission for people to grow their own marijuana at home unless you have a medical marijuana card. If that's the case, as of right now, you could grow up to 5 plants if you have the medical marijuana card. And the other important thing is that for it to be legal, you have to buy it at a dispensary.
The rest of the laws will still remain the same, so driving under the influence is still not legal. And Iowa has nothing to do with this law, so if an Iowa resident buys the 15 grams they're allowed to possess in Illinois, that's only while they're in Illinois. Once they cross the bridge, it's Iowa laws. Another aspect of proposed law is the potential to clear past convictions for the offenses that will now be deemed legal once this bill is signed.
The law also provides that certain convictions can be expunged or pardoned. So up to 30 grams could be pardoned. Anything over 30 to 500, someone would have to petition the court, and it would be up to the judge whether that particular offense would be eligible to be pardoned.
A person's criminal history will also come into play when it comes to the possibility of a pardon or expungement. For example, if the person had multiple offenses along with the possession offense, or whether they have multiple prior convictions, it will likely be under consideration. David?
All right, thanks, Sarah. Once signed by Governor Pritzker, the law will go into effect starting January 1st.